For today's video, we are going to discuss about the Philippine AIDS Prevention and Control Act of the Philippines.
What is AIDS?
AIDS is the name used to describe a number of potentially life-threatening infections and illness that happens when your immune system has been surely damaged by the HIV virus.
What is the Philippine AIDS Prevention and Control Act?
An act promulgating policies and prescribing measures for the prevention and control of HIV or AIDS in the Philippines. But before that, we will know first the difference between HIV and AIDS.
Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome or AIDS, a disease with no known cure, characterized by a combination of signs and syndrome caused by HIV. It is contracted from another person which attacks and weakens the body immune system.
How to help people who have AIDS?
Showing love, respect, and support. Knowing the fact about HIV or AIDS, and talking openly about the disease. Helping to reduce stress and stressful situations. Helping to provide balanced and nutritious meals. Encouraging them to get treatment if they are sick.
Penalties for misleading information: 2 months to 2 years imprisonment, administrative sanctions such as fines, and suspensions or revocation of professional or business license. Penalties for unsafe practice and procedures: imprisonment 6 to 12 years, administrative sanctions such as fine, and suspensions or revocation of professional or business license, cancellation or withdrawal or permit to operate business entity or accreditation of hospital, laboratory, or clinic.
And now, let us talk the possible signs and symptoms including
Fever,
headache,
muscle aches and joint pain,
rash,
sore throat, painful mouth sores,
swollen lymph glands mainly on the neck,
diarrhea,
weight loss,
cough,
night sweats. HIV or AIDS education and information shall be conducted at the following levels: individual, organization or institution, community, barangay, municipal, provincial, in regional, national.
Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching.